come to the wait for our last breakfast. See you soon.
Look, there's one here.
We've come to the wait for our last breakfast.
What a way to go out, eh?
I know. We're in a really nice seat actually tonight. A little booth. Little boothy. Look at this. You see behind us. I already know what I'm going to get because we've come here before. I don't think I'll have starters. I'm just going to go straight for French toast. Yeah.
I think I'm going to actually get started though.
Really? What one?
Which that?
Oh, yes.
Oh, you're so tan. Just you staring at it and not staring at it.
What do you mean, not staring?
You literally go,
Yeah.
not like that.
Yeah, but that's staring at it.
Nice.
This French toast is insane. Daniel got the, oh, what was that, a crab thing?
Soft shell crab.
Soft shell crab, that's a mouthful. And also steak and egg with poached steaks. You can choose what eggs you want with your steak, which is cool. And then I've gone for this delicious. Hello and welcome to the room tour part of the video. So if you are watching this vlog as the first rather than starting from the beginning, you may not know that we actually purchased a lock-it-in rate inside a cabin. And when we checked in, we actually got surprised to a balcony room, which was really, really exciting. So when you first come into the room, you have the wardrobes on the left, and we actually did ask for extra hangers. So if you don't have many hangers, you can definitely ask them. The bathroom size, I would say, was actually really decent, and it had a rainfall shower, which was really, really nice. You can control the temperature of the room just next to the bathroom. And honestly, when we went, it was so hot, so we had that on very cold most of the time. One thing I will say about the balcony room is there is a lot of storage. I don't think I've ever stayed in a cabin room that has this amount of storage. We put all of our shoes in there, and as you can see under the bed, there is still so much storage that we actually never used. And even in the wardrobe, when you first come in, there's all those boxes. So yeah, really, really pleased with the storage. They have the little fridge, and they also top up the water every single day. You can also request if you want some more water on the iPad. So the iPad controls all of the room, and it also controls if you do want to reach out and request more water, ice bring into the room, new towels, anything, they will bring it to you, which is really, really handy. The bed itself was super comfy, and then obviously we have the balcony and we have the hammock, which was insane, and the views were immaculate. So yeah, that's the room tour. See you soon. Back home we go. Gone for a iced caramel latte and a croissant. We've come to just this little coffee shop in Barcelona airport. Oh, can anyone take a guess where we've gone for some food? If you know, you know. Burger King. Burger King. It's like every single time we go on holiday, we end up in a burger.
We went to McDonald's.
And they didn't have any vegan options.
Didn't have any vegetarian options.
Very sad.
And then Lou was like, yeah, just eat here, it's fine. I'll just get some fries. I'm like, fuck off. I'm not eating a whole goddamn burger when you're eating just fries.
Yeah, but I would have gone like and got something else. I thought I was going to get a vegan Royale, which is what they do at home. But they've actually got a big vegan menu here. So I've gone for a vegan Whopper. So we'll see how that tastes. Got a crispy Fanta. No, there wasn't any tissues in here. You might have to go and get some, yeah. Crispy Fanta, Diet Coke, onion rings. It's delicious, though.
Stay. Stay.
Why not? Oh. Like Daniel's hat. He's the king for the day. No, suits you, my love. It's the only hat you can wear.
Look, there's one here.
we've got we've got the football on in the car because we're going to be late. Didn't realise it was on. And we've got baby Q in the queue. She's so cute. And we've got the snacks. And we're driving home.
Lots of snacks.
Lots of snacks.
Thai sweet chili sensations for £1 in Tesco, yeah.
Here we go. Come on, is it coming home? We'll know after this vlog.
It's coming. It's coming.
Chillin' baby Q.